What's up, guys? Your boy Emmanuel here. Today I am here waiting for my client. We are gonna be doing a vlog style run and gun video for him and his boys. He's gonna be going to a ring shop to pick up a ring that he's gonna be using to propose to his girlfriend in about 3 months. I want to say 2.5 to 3 months, and he wanted to do this as a preview to what's coming, not necessarily to like post it beforehand what's going to happen, but to combine this video and then do a cinematic engagement video for the proposal. So I picked up this microphone. It's called the Rode VideoMic Go, and it was $100, which I think is, I mean, this mic is perfect for what I'm using it today. I don't need like professional grade audio since it's a run and gun style video. So I wanted to kind of test it out because I've been wanting to get the VideoMic the VideoMic Pro from Rode. There's a Pro Plus edition, which is $300, and I've been keeping my eyes on that for a while now, just in case I ever want to do interviews or documentary style videos where I'm walking around the streets and asking people questions. So today this will be a good time to test this microphone. So hopefully it goes well. The video is gonna be fun, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun shooting it. And well, I'll catch you guys later.